Hey there, Darren with Confident Home Solutions, general contractor, remodeler in North Carolina. So I got a question here. I had a homeowner that contacted me. We've worked for this couple many times, and she, a couple years ago, I had brought to her attention of a few different things that needed to be addressed on her house. Fast forward to a couple weeks ago, she contacts me again and says, hey, now's the time. So we're over there taking measurements for the items, for the actual job to get materials ordered. And I told her, she thanked me, and I said, I've kind of quit suggesting stuff to people, because I said not everybody takes to it well. Some people almost recoil when you point certain things out to them, and you're trying to be nice, and it's not for a matter of us wanting to increase the size of our job. Most of the time during a remodel, if we have a few remodels in behind it, we can't take any additional work on. So it's not like we're trying to increase the size of the job. So the question I'm kind of wondering is, as homeowners, would it bother you if a home or a contractor brings that up to you, points something out that he feels that needs to be brought out? Now, we're not talking about anything that's actually really safety related. We're talking about things that are going to affect the longevity and the life of your house, your life investment, actually. Let me give you some scenarios, some things what I would consider that I would want to point out. Anything that is structurally that's going to affect the house. Roofing, where I think possibly the roof is taking in any water, windows that need to be caulked, foundation, gutters that aren't shedding water away from the foundation, possible cracks in their foundation, that may be small but turning into larger ones. So I've kind of shied away from that, to where a lot of times when we're doing the remodeling, we're walking around the house, so we see things, and we're going to see them from a different perspective of most homeowners. They're not seeing what the years of our experience is showing us. So this client that I was just speaking about, that I was speaking to her a couple years ago, and then we were just out there 2 weeks ago. She thanked me. She says, I really appreciate you bringing that stuff to my attention. And I said, so I pretty much told her, I said, hey, I typically don't do that, because not everybody is real excited when you point stuff out to them, and it's almost a downer. All right, so as homeowners and possibly some contractors, I was wondering if I could get some of you to comment as to what and how you would feel, and whether or not you think it's appropriate for contractors to be doing that, if you'd want them to be pointing this stuff out. Yeah, so either way, leave a comment down below, because that's I'm really curious about this discussion. And the next thing is hit the like button, definitely subscribe, because we got a lot of cool videos up, and I want to know for my own business what homeowners think concerning this issue. So, all right, cool.